Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to file Form 10IE, which is related to Section 115 BAC, New Tax Regime. We all know that this section has come from financial year 2021, means while filing income tax return for financial year 2021, if you are opting for lower tax rate, new tax regime, then you need to file this form compulsorily to opt new tax regime. So before seeing how to file Form 10IE, first we will see what are the provision relating to this form. It is very important because for individual HUF having business and profession income, there is some other provision, and if individual and HUF is not having income from business or profession and having other than business or profession, then the provision says something else. So first we will see what is the provision. So section 115 BAC, it has 5 subsection. First tells us what are the slab rates and the tax thereon. Second subsection, third subsection, and fourth subsection says about the deduction which we need to forego if we are opting for new tax regime. And the last subsection 5 is very important because in this subsection it says how to file Form 10IE for opting this tax regime benefit. So it has two parts, clause 1 and clause 2. Clause 1 relates to individual HUF who has income from business and profession. And clause 2 says about income other than business or profession. So first we will see clause 1. Clause 1 states that Form 10IE to be filed before section 139(1). That means the due date of filing income tax return. The due date is specified in section 139 subsection 1. So before that date, you need to file Form 10IE if you are individual HUF and you are having income from business or profession. And once you file this form, means once you excise the new tax regime option, it it shall apply to subsequent assessment years too. Means every year you need not to file this form again and again. Once excise, it will be deemed that in subsequent year also you are opting for this income tax regime, new tax regime section. The most important part is if you withdraw this option in subsequent assessment year, then once withdrawn, you will not be eligible to excise this option again. This is the twist of this section for PGBP, for business or profession. If you are having income from business or profession, then once you excise this option, it will be deemed that you will be having this benefit for subsequent assessment year also. But if you withdraw once, then you will not going to claim, then you will not be eligible to exercise this option again, except when the business cease to have income, because in that year your return will not be having income from business and profession, then you will fall under second clause. The most important thing is for first clause, business or profession persons. For example, we are filing this Form 10IE for financial year 2021. We have opted for this new tax regime. Then for financial year 21-22, it will be deemed that you will be taking this benefit too. But if you decide that no, I don't want this benefit, I will take the old tax regime benefit, then you need to withdraw this option. And then again, in financial year 20 to 23, the next financial year, if you want to claim this benefit again, then you will not be eligible to claim. In future years. It is available once in a lifetime for business or profession. So I think the clause 1 is clear. Now we will move to clause 2. The clause 2 is for individual HUF who is having income other than business or profession. They don't need not to take any tension, because for them they can file this form every year. That means ki they can exercise this option every year, because it says that you individual HUF who are having income other than business or profession, they need to file form 10I along with the filing of return of income to be furnished under section 139 subsection 1. That means due date. Before due date, when you are submitting the return of income, before that you need to file this form for opting for this new tax regime. So for them, every year this option is available, but for business and or profession, once in a lifetime is available. So now we will see how to fill the form. Once you log in to income tax portal, then you need to go to e-file, then income tax forms, file income tax form. Here you can see one draft form, because I have made this for the video I was making in Hindi version. But when you go to file income tax form, there are two options where you will find other forms. One, person having business or profession income, and other sources income not relevant. This form you will get in other, so you have to click in other source of income not relevant, and there the form is 10I in third. You will click in this form, then the form will open, and it says that it is the application for excise or withdrawal of option under section 115 BAC subsection 5 of income tax 1961. Further, you need to select assessment year and click on continue button. After that, you need to click on let's get started. Here there are four options. You need to provide assessing officer detail, basic information and additional information, and then last is verification option. So once you click in assessing officer, it will automatically fetch the detail, like in my case jurisdiction JUR is reflecting, and there is no option to select, so it is automatic. You just only need to confirm. Then for basic information, uh, the name, PAN and address will automatically be available. You need to select whether the individual or HUF has any income under the head profit or gain from business or profession. If you are having business or profession income, then you will select on yes button, otherwise no. If you are selecting yes, means you have business, then further you need to select nature of business or profession. I have selected profession. Then you need to mention the code of your business or profession. I have further selected tax consultancy. You can select from this drop down option. After selecting, you can uh, you can remove also the sector you have selected. After that, you need to click on save button. Then you need to provide the additional information, which includes whether the individual HUF has any unit in international finance sectors center. If yes, then select yes and give further additional detail, otherwise no. Whether option under clause 1 of subsection 5 of section 115 BAC has been excised in form 10I for any earlier period. This option is for person, individual HUF who is having income other than PGBP, because for PGBP individual and HUF, this option is freezed. I have selected for business and profession income. So this option is freezed for me. So I will click on save option. Then last is verification. You will click on verification detail, and there you just need to tick this verification. uh, you have to then select you are exercising or withdraw. For exercising and withdrawal, same form is there. So I'm exercising. Then you need to further tick on this button. It says that you have understood section 115 BAC subsection 5 clause 1. Earlier in this video, I have explained this subsection. This subsection is very important. And in clause 1, the individual HUF falls who is having income from PGBP, that is business of profession. Once they have exercised this option, then for that year, they cannot withdraw that this option. For subsequent year, they can withdraw. And if they withdraw this option, then again they are not eligible to claim this benefit. Then you need to scroll down and save. Click on save option. Then you need to preview. You just need to check the form is correct or not. If you want to edit, then you can edit, or proceed to e-verify. So this form is very important while filing income tax return, because if you have filed your income tax return and opted for this benefit and you have not filed this form, then your return will be not be valid. It will be termed as invalid. So you need to compulsorily file this form for opting for new tax regime. The same video is available in Hindi version also. I will provide the link in video description. Thank you.